Hey guys, Drake here with Athlon Optics, and today we're going to be covering the basic features of the 35P-400, which will also apply to the 25P-250. First things first, to power the thermal on, you're going to long press the top button. When you're ready to shut the thermal off, you're going to do the same thing. Now let's move on to different parts of the thermal. This is your ocular adjustment. You're going to move this left or right until the screen you're looking at comes fully into focus. Next up is the magnification ring. You can rotate this left or right to zoom in and out. Next up is the objective focus. Simply rotate the ring until the object you're looking at becomes clear. Now let's get into the functions of the top button. To start recording, press down once. To end a recording, press down again. To access the menu, you're going to double press the top button. To navigate the menu, you're going to rotate the magnification ring left or right. To make a selection within the menu, press the top button once, then rotate the magnification ring to make the adjustments. To exit the menu, simply long press the top button. The 35P, along with all other Pro Thermals from Athlon Optics, are compatible with the Ballistics App. Within the Ballistics App, you can add holdovers and transfer them back to the thermal. That wraps things up for the 35P-400. For any more information, go to athlonoptics.com.